In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you the top tips that work for entrepreneurs who need help managing their time. Effective time management is an essential aspect for anyone to master, but it is critical for entrepreneurs. Since entrepreneurs are ultimately responsible for every aspect of their company, it is crucial to allocate the right amount of time to the right tasks if you want to keep your business running. Here are the top tips to help you manage your time. Record all your thoughts. Carry a schedule with you and record all of your thoughts, activities, and conversations for a week. This will allow you to understand where you're spending your time. You will get to see how much time you are spending on producing results and how much time you are wasting on unproductive actions, thoughts, and conversations. Utilize an appointment book. Any conversation or activity that is important to your success should be assigned a time. If your to-do list gets longer and longer, they can get to the point where they are unworkable. Schedule appointments with yourself and create blocks of time for high-priority thoughts, actions, and conversations. Schedule when they will start and end, and have the discipline to keep these appointments. Schedule time for interruptions. When you're planning your day, schedule time for interruptions. Plan time in your day to be pulled away from what you are working on. For instance, the concept of office hours is just another way of saying planned interruptions. Decide the results you want to attain. Before every call and task, take 5 minutes to decide the result you want to attain. Doing this will help you know what success looks like before you begin. Then take another 5 minutes after each activity and call to determine if you achieved your desired result. Block out distractions. Unless you use social media sites like Facebook or Twitter to help you generate business, block them during your workday. The same goes for the internet. These things are tremendous time wasters, and unless they are helping you improve your business in some way, then it's better to block them. There are several tools that you can download to help you prevent these kinds of distractions. As an entrepreneur, you will be pulled in different directions and will frequently face interruptions. Use these essential tips to help you manage your time and learn how to get more done.